Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss earth pressure theory. In earth pressure theory, I will discuss about two cases on active earth pressure and passive earth pressure. As you can see, so in active earth pressure there is a in both the cases there is a wall and there is a soil. Okay. Same here too. There is a wall and there is a soil. In active earth pressure, as wall moves away from the backfill, and passive earth pressure wall moves toward the backfill. So here is soil and this is wall. So soil is resting, so it will apply some pressure force on the wall, that is sigma horizontal, and same in this case to sigma horizontal soil is applying on the wall. So in active earth pressure, wall is moving away from the soil, so resultant force in leftward direction, that is this is resultant force. And here wall is moving toward the backfill, so resultant force in rightward direction. Okay, so now as we can see, in first case the horizontal pressure applied by soil on the wall, and movement of the wall, as we can see, resultant force both are in the same direction, so contact pressure on wall will be less. And in the second case, sigma horizontal and F both are in opposite directions, so sigma horizontal, I mean force applied by the soil on the wall is uh, contact force is greater, so I can say sigma horizontal in passive state is greater than sigma vertical. Okay, and sigma in active state sigma horizontal is less than sigma vertical. This is some soil specimen, so this is sigma horizontal and this is sigma vertical. So sigma horizontal is lesser, so sigma horizontal is minor principal stress and this is major principal stress. And in passive state, passive case, this is major principal stress and this is minor principal stress. Okay, so this is first difference I discussed about. Now I am going to discuss about second difference. As you can see that in the first case, this is failure surface, these are failure surface, so wall is moving away from the backfill, so soil behind the wall will move downward and the soil adjacent to it will resist it, so there is a resisting force opposite to the motion of soil. And here a wall move towards the backfill, so soil will move in the upward direction, and this force which is resisting the soil, I mean surrounding soil, which is resisting it, will apply a friction force in downward direction. Okay, so in this case I discussed about second difference too, and third difference I'm going to discuss. As you can see, as we read in the shear strength chapter, that failure I mean angle between failure plane and major principal plane is angle between failure plane and major principal plane is 45 plus 5 by 2. So in this case, as you know, uh, failure major principal stress is sigma vertical, this is major, so this is major principal plane. Okay, and here it is sigma vertical, it is minor, so it is minor principal plane, and this is major principal plane. Here it is minor principal plane. Okay, you understood? So and this is failure plane, so angle between failure plane and major principal plane is theta is equals to 45 plus 5 by 2. Okay, this is theta failure angle. Okay, यहाँ पे theta f is equals to 45 plus 5 by 2. and in this case it is a failure surface and it is a minor principal plane. So here theta f is angle between failure plane and minor principal plane. So theta f is equals to 45 minus 5 by 2. Okay, so I am going to discuss in which case movement of the wall will be maximum. Okay, so in first case as I am going to discuss about this triangle. So height of, as you can see, height of the wall or height of the failure base is same in both the cases. So in first case I am going to apply tan theta f is equals to perpendicular upon base, as you can see, h upon, I am taking it is as LA and taking it is as LP, HYLA. Okay, H is equals to LA tan theta F. S is equals to LA tan theta 45 plus 5/2. ओके थोड़ा लेंदी हो गया है बट कोई नहीं, स्टिल इट्स ओके. H cot 45 plus 5/2 and here LP tan theta f is equals to HYLP. So LP is equals to H but 45 minus 5/2. As you know, in cot if angle decreases, value of cot will be increases, so LP will increase. So finally I can say that movement of wall required for generation of active earth pressure is small and that required for generation of passive earth pressure is more. Okay, you understood? LP is great. So these are main points. I think I covered it. Thank you.